Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe, and I pray to God that all of you would be safe and healthy. Cambridge International School Daswa has taken the initiative for e-learning and to help you out at this time of crisis. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa, and today I am going to teach you chapter Nationalism in India. In this chapter today we are covering 3 questions. Fine. These 3 questions you will write in your notebooks, carry 3 marks or 5 marks as well. So before going to further topic, we have to recall the previous one, so that because these topics are interlinked, so that we are connected with the recent topics as well. So recapitulation. Earlier we have discussed the role of business class people and the foundation of FICCI in civil disobedience movement. At what time of contribution and which type of contribution was industrialist, the big industrialists like we have discussed Birlas and Purushottam Das Thakur Das, and they have established FICCI, Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industries, if you remember right here. So now today we are going to start our next question. Question number 1 will be discuss workers' participation in the civil disobedience movement. Though civil disobedience movement was relaunched, and when it was relaunched, at that time business class people and rich peasants didn't participate with great enthusiasm and with great energy because of the failure of second round table conference. But worker class participated in it, but industrialists not participated. Before beginning this topic, you have to discuss the same thing. Like you have to write introduction. If you will write introduction, don't write introduction. I am just telling you, if you are writing 2-3 lines intro, then you will write this thing that big industrialist did not participate. यहाँ आप लिखोगे they didn't participate except Nagpur. Participated except Nagpur. Now you will begin the question ke what kind of participation of workers in civil disobedience movement. So here we begin this question. First point you will write. I am writing in first point because this time I will not make a flow chart, because you have to write this question with proper heading and then explanation, and your answer must be elaborated. And while elaboration and while writing answers in your notebook, if you want to get help from the book, you can see page number 66. I am just teaching from your book, page number 66 and page number 67. This question is at 66 page. So first point you will write what kind of participation of a worker class. They adopt Gandhian program. So first point will be they adopt Gandhian programs, because number of programs were launched by Mahatma Gandhi, and people participated with great enthusiasm and with great energy along with Mahatma Gandhi. Second point you will write they participated in boycott movement. They participated in boycott movement because of the poor working class, because they were just concluding that all the condition will be improved when they will participate and when Swaraj will come. So when you will write boycott movement, they participate in boycott program, you will write because of poor working condition, as I am writing here for your help, because of poor working conditions. Fine. Third point you will write because of strikes of railway workers in 1930. ऐसे उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, ऐसे उन्होंने महात्मा गांधी की हेल्प की थी स्ट्राइक करके, क्योंकि उनको they didn't want to participate, they didn't want to cooperate with the Britishers. They were willing to do work with the Mahatma Gandhi ji. So strikes by railway workers. Strikes by railway workers in 1930, then strikes by dock workers in 1932. Same point, strikes by dock workers when in 1932 along with Mahatma Gandhi. And last point you will discuss, in 1930 workers in Chota Nagpur wore Gandhian cap. I am writing here only the area Chota Nagpur. So how they participated in Chota Nagpur Plateau? They participated after wearing Gandhian caps, but Congress was reluctant to include workers' demand because they were interested in the, you can say, like rich peasants. उनको rich peasants की ज़्यादा फिक्र थी, so they little reluctant to include workers in for their demand. So number of peasants, after that number of peasants left this movement. So this was these were the 5 points that you will write in your copies while for good presentation of your answer. One paragraph only, your answer completed. Fine. So this is the first question that we have done. Now we are moving to second question. Role of women. I will change question here only. Okay. Answer will be different. What is the role of women, or you can say women's contribution in civil disobedience movement? Discuss women's participation in civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement. Shall we start? This question you will also write in your copy, important question, but no compulsion. If you are not writing question, no worries. You please underline or you can highlight all the headings and points, and direct you can learn from your book. Same question we are getting from page number 66 and half from 67. Women participation. Yes, women participated with great enthusiasm and with great energy. What happened earlier? Earlier, Gandhiji believed that women should remain at home. They should be good wives and good mothers. They should remain in the four walls of houses. But later, he discussed that there should not be like symbolic presence of women. So, women participated along with Mahatma Gandhi in civil disobedience movement. How they participated? Now, this question I will tell you in a flow chart, but you will make heading, like all the headings and explanation also. So, large number of, we will discuss here 5 points. Number 1, large number of women participated. This will be your first point. Large number of women participated. Okay. When there is a call from Mahatma Gandhi, number of women participated in this non-cooperation movement. They came out of homes and to listen Gandhiji. This will be second. Came out of homes to listen Gandhiji. This will be your second point. Now third, what they did for contribution in this nationalism in India, like nationalism and cooperating with the Mahatma Gandhi, they protest march. They participating in protest march. How they participating? You can make sub points here. Fine. So participating, like first point, you can write manufactured. They manufactured salt. They manufactured salt. Liquor shops picketed. Okay. One more point you can add: boycott. Boycott of foreign goods, and further there were picketed foreign clothes and picketed liquor shops. Then manufactured salt. You can add these 2-3 points in protest march in third point. Now fourth point, many were put into jail by police. Fourth, many went to jail. And you know, shall I tell you one thing more? Many women went to jail by the police. Some of the women were great personalities and they belonged to very rich families and very well known families, and when they were put into jail, number of other women really they got appreciation from those women, and then more participation in nationalism along with Mahatma Gandhi. Then moved by the Gandhians call, they began to do service. And first point, moved by Gandhians call. This will be your fifth point. Whenever there was any call from Mahatma Gandhi, number of women participated, and they began to thinking like they began to see the service of the nation. If they will participate, this will be the sacred duty of women if they are doing service for the country like India. But earlier Gandhiji believed that there should be only symbolic present, and they should be stay at home. Women should be good mothers and good wives, but later they realized the role of women in any kind of movement. So this is the role of women, participation of women in civil disobedience movement. 5 points you will clear. I am going to recap all the points. I am going to sum up all the points. Like large number of women participated, then came out of homes to listen Gandhiji, protest march, manufactured law, picketed, liquor shops picketed, boycott movement. Then many went to jail. They were sent to jail by the police, and a number of rich women also participated, and this was encouraged for another women also. Then moved by call. They thought that serving the nation is their a sacred duty. So though you will end up this question by saying this line, though earlier Gandhiji believed that women should stay at home in 4 walls and they should be only symbolic present, and Gandhiji believed that women should be good wives and good mothers, but later he realized the importance of women. So this is the second question. This was the second question, my dear. This was the second question that you will write in. If you don't want to write, no worries, you can directly learn from here. Fine. So now we have covered 2 questions today. We are moving to last question, third question, and this question you will write in your copy. It means total we would be covering 3 questions in this video, but in copy you will write only 2 questions. Now listen, my dear students, I received number of calls and number of queries from your side, and you are saying that ma'am, how many questions we are going to write, and if we are willing to write any extra questions, what to do? Listen, the correct answer for this question is you have to write questions as many as I am saying to you write. Like today your homework is 2 questions only. If you are willing to write third question also, you can take an extra notebook and write questions over there. If you want to write 1 mark answer, very good, and you can also write those 1 mark answers or 3 marks answer which I am not telling you, you can write on extra notebook. But those questions which I am telling you to write, mandatory to write, फेयर बुक, वो आप फेयर बुक पे लिखोगे, and you can send pics through WhatsApp and I will check those questions, mark it and send you back those pics. Okay. Now if you are having any queries like learning or while writing answers, while preparing for exam, I am here to help you. Let me know and I am here to help you out for every type of queries and questions and doubts. Yes, now question number 3 that we are doing. What were the last question for civil disobedience movement, and this movement will be finished. Civil disobedience movement, what were the limitations? What were the limitations? Let me clear the meaning of limitations. Limitations means drawbacks. Or you can say another form of question, molding form of question, if this question will come in molding form. Causes of failure. Causes of failure. This, what were the limitations of civil disobedience? ओके, शैल वी स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन कि आखिर ये मूवमेंट इतनी जोर शोर से शुरू हुई लेकिन फिर भी ये मूवमेंट क्यों फेल हो गई? बिकॉज अर्लियर गांधी जी स्टार्टेड सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट व्हेन ही रिटर्न टू इंडिया 1915, देन ही लॉन्च सत्याग्रह मूवमेंट इन दोज 3 places 1916, 1917, 1918. Champaran, Kheda and Ahmedabad. You remember na those three places, because last we will do map from this chapter. Okay. Then further he launched a non-cooperation movement. Fine. But they what Gandhiji did, Gandhiji called off the movement because of Chauri Chaura incident, because the movement took a violent shape. Then he launched a salt march, civil disobedience movement, you can say. Huh. Then number of people were not participating, like rich people not participating, क्योंकि सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कांग्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस फेल हो गई थी, एंड दे थॉट दैट वो जिस तरीके से हमने वो जिस पर्पज से वी हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड वो पूरा नहीं हुआ, एंड द मूवमेंट वॉज कॉल्ड ऑफ. Then boycott movement in between we have done. Boycott movement में भी था. Earlier when it was started with great energy. एंड इसका फ़र्क भी पड़ा, लाइक उनका 104 करोड़ का बिजनेस 57 करोड़ पे आ गया. बट द थिंग वॉज दैट लेटरली, बिकॉज वी हैव डन दैट लाइन ना, बिकॉज मशीन मेड हैंड मेड गुड्स नेवर कम्पीट विद द मशीन मेड गुड्स, एंड सो trickling out with the British government and with the Indian government, many of the people joined those kind of movement again. So what was the result? The people started joining, students joining those universities and British schools and British colleges as well, and lawyers also starting their practice for their legal practice for their law. And then finally what happened? Then Gandhiji launched civil disobedience movement. It was also, you can say, failed type of movement. What were the causes of this movement for the failure? Yes, now first point that we are doing, so limits of civil disobedience movement. Number 1, ignored untouchables. ठीक है. So first reason will be untouchability. Ignored, you can say ignored depressed class. You know what is depressed class? SC and BC people. So first reason for failure of civil disobedience is untouchability. Little Gandhiji ignored touchable people. Because I think this is the first reason. If Gandhiji would not ignore it, maybe this movement would be successful. Like he ignored Dalit people. In this point we can say in 1930s had begun to call for Dalits or depressed. उससे पहले हम नहीं कहते थे. 1930s में हमने इनको Dalits कहना शुरू किया. Dalit is a Hindi word, means those people who belong to socially backward classes. Means first point you can write ignored depressed class. Gandhiji given them name. After that Gandhiji given them name Harijan. Again Hindi word. You remember when we have started lesson, मैंने कहा था number of Hindi words you will see in this chapter. तो हरिजन भी हिंदी का वर्ड है, यानी कि हरिजन, और वहाँ पर लिखा है आपकी बुक में चिल्ड्रन ऑफ गॉड. So little Gandhiji ignored, but later he realized, and later what he did, what Gandhiji did, he himself cleaned the toilets even, like sweepers, like bhangis. He himself cleaned the toilet to show all the people that all the people are equal, untouchable, Harijans, SCBC people and Sanatans, all are equal. And if we will not give equality to all Harijan people as well as to the all general class people, then Swaraj will not come till 100 years. 100 साल तक और स्वराज नहीं आएगा if there will be inequality between those people. So second point you can write fear of Sanatanis. Related to first point, fear of Sanatanis. Sanatanis कौन होते थे बेटा? हाई कास्ट हिंदू. High caste Hindu. Somewhere Gandhiji realized that if he will give proper opportunity to the SCBC people, these Sanatanis will ignored, and if these high class Hindus will be ignored, then there will be chaos and disorder, and the people will not cooperate with Gandhiji. So third point we will write, Gandhiji declared Swaraj will not come for 100 years if we will not cooperate with the Harijans. Same line. Swaraj would not you can complete yourself ना 100 years वाली line है, ठीक है. तो we have to cooperate with the Harijans also. Another reason for the failure of civil disobedience movement means demanding for separate electoral system, demanding for separate seats. Demanding for separate seat. This is the main reason for failure of civil disobedience movement. Now earlier when the movement began, Gandhiji were very much interesting that all class people and all caste people should be collaborate and they should be fight against the British government in a way that in a united way. But here they were demanding for separate seats. If all the groups and all the castes will demand for the separate seats, Gandhiji thought that where will be the unity of the country will go and where will be the nationalism go and how can they achieve Swaraj. So Gandhiji believed in equality, and you can also write the same point. Swaraj would not come for 100 years if we will not cooperate with the equality, we will not cooperate with the SCBC people. Here entry in the temples, using public wells, using public places, school, water tank, roads, even he himself cleaned the toilets. तो यहाँ उनके साथ भी थे. और fourth point you will write demands for separate seats. This was the main reason for failure of, for the limitation of, for the cause of failure of civil disobedience movement. Now further we will discuss more point. Limited participation in Mumbai and Nagpur. Can I write here, my dear students, if you are comfortable? Limited participation. This you have done na? Limited participation, fifth point, in Mumbai, Maharashtra and Mumbai or Maharashtra, and in further you will write Nagpur. This will be fifth point. So in this point you will write that there was a limited participation in Mumbai as well as industrial worker of Nagpur, because they participated in a Dalit numbers, in a Dalit class, so less participation was there. अगर उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा participation किया होता तो शायद ये मूवमेंट जो थी वो सक्सेसफुल हो जाती, इसीलिए सक्सेसफुल नहीं, बिकॉज दीज 5 reasons. Shall we wind up these 5 reasons? First point you will write Gandhiji ignored Dalits, लेकिन साथ में ये भी लिख देना later he realized and Gandhiji himself cleaned the toilets like sweepers. And second point में आप ये कहोगे he would say that Swaraj will not come for more 100 years if there will be not equality for untouchables also. Then third point you will write separate electoral system for SCBC people, demand for separate seats. Then limited participation for worker class in Mumbai, then Nagpur. So today we have done 3 questions. You will write only 2 questions, one from underlining the book. So my dear students, we have covered till page number 66 and 67, but don't remember to observe the picture side by side. This is your book and today you will cover this picture, page number 67. Figure 9, women join nationalist procession. इस picture में क्या reveal किया है? You have to tell, because whenever I will give you picture based question, you have to tell here also and what this picture is revealing. So in my next video we will meet with the next and new topic from same chapter. Till then, goodbye, have a wonderful day ahead, take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.